Welcome to another video. Short one today. It's an apology video. In the video I did a couple of weeks back, the interview with my brother after his big 2-week trip on the 500. The 500 came out of that pretty much unscathed in terms of issues. I think he complained about the seat and that was about it. But there was one other thing that completely slipped our mind. So in this video I will discuss the other thing that went wrong. It is raining here again in sunny Melbourne, which you can probably hear on the roof. The thing that went wrong with the 500 was the countershaft seal. Leaking oil, it's a fairly well-known KTM phenomenon. It happens on all the range, 350s, 500s, 690, whatever. It had a bit of oil leakage going on, which you can see in some photos to kind of see. It in itself is not a showstopper. As they say, a little bit of oil goes a long way. But he did get it changed. He was near Alice Springs at the time and took the time to get it swapped out. Now there's kind of two parts to it. The first time he took it to get repaired, they didn't have the O-ring. They only had the seal. They changed the seal, put the old O-ring back in. But as you can see from the photo, that O-ring is flat. So 50 k's down the road, checked it, leaking oil again, took it back. So they didn't have the KTM part O-ring, which goes for the princely sum of about 80 cents. They had to source a random O-ring of same dimensions from a bearing shop, put that in, Bob's your uncle. I've got another few little clips here that just go through where this thing is and how easy it is to swap it. It's not a difficult thing to do, and in fact I just carry a spare seal and a spare O-ring now. The seal in question is behind this. There's a collar here that comes out quite simply, just pulls out. That's the seal there, and then behind that is an O-ring. There'll be a picture here that shows where that O-ring is. I will link to that particular video as well. It tells you how to remove it. That's the piece, that O-ring seems to be the main problem. That was the thing that went wrong on the 500, a leaking countershaft seal or O-ring. Easy to fix. Would it have stopped his ride? No, I don't think so. He could have carried on with it weeping a bit, and that's fine. So thanks for watching. I hope that doesn't change your opinion of the 500 as a totally capable machine, but I did have to do a little PS here and put this particular issue in the interest of full disclosure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.